Hello and welcome to Bass-Mollett's Director's Print Suite video guide. My name is Kai and today I will be showing you how to print a Precious Memories white border trifold. We'll start off by selecting our product on the left-hand side, changing our layout in the drop-down, and selecting Print Information to get the dimensions needed to print our stationery. For more visual assistance, please watch the how-to videos listed on the left-hand side. From there, we'll hit Print, and our computer will generate our PDF file. If you've not yet set your computer up to do this automatically, please watch our how-to video on the process. At this point, I typically suggest going to the front and back of the PDF file to ensure that everything has loaded correctly. Once you're satisfied with the results, go to File, Print, and we'll begin to change our printer preferences. Starting from the top, we'll select the desired printer. Here is where we can change the number of copies we want. And we'll make sure that the following are selected: all pages, actual size, choose paper source by PDF page size, print on both sides of paper, and we're going to flip it on the short edge because it is landscape. Here, we'll make sure that both the document size and the page size match in both width and height. And next, we will go into the Advanced Properties. Here, we will go into the document size and change this to the 8.5 by 14. Orientation will still be landscape. We'll change this to color. If you have a specific tray that you would like to print out of, you will change it here. Today, I will be using the bypass tray. Paper type will always be at least thick 1 to ensure that all ink will stay on the paper. Next, we'll go to Detailed Settings and ensure that the Reduce and Enlarge feature is turned off. From here, you can register your current settings by naming your preset and clicking OK. We'll select OK, and now we're ready to print. For more helpful tips, please stay tuned for more of our how-to videos.